Now
Oh,
the
yeah.
whole world knows.
When you're in on the inside, bro, fuck.
Dude, you guys are up already?
That's
We
why you guys
shorted
are
it?
fucking, dude. All that time I was telling you I didn't know yesterday, telling you guys thought it was long. I was short, dude.
Dude, Big Sean's like, yeah, I'm a manager and I've been firing people. So
Yeah,
I'm shorting this
I'd have
shit.
just fire a few people, bro.
Really?
That's incredible.
Yeah, I mean, not just
You
because
break.
of like the jobs and stuff, but the one guy
They just
walked off
suck.
the job, the other guy got in a fight, and I'm like, yeah, nah.
Yeah, but you deal with some fucking ratchet shit. I'm
Dude,
sure.
Yeah, dude,
the
there's
the
some-
bottom of the barrel, bro.
Yeah, dude.
Bottom
Like,
of the-
yo, can you pick this box up and move it over there? That's the only thing we need you to do. That'll
Insane.
attract some crazy people.
That'll start some fights.
Yeah, dude.
Hey, can you just do your job?
Right.
Yeah, it's crazy.
What the fuck are you saying to me?
All right, boys. What we got right here? I just
Yep.
fucking- No.
Friday was my draw
Um,
liquidity. Friday's low.
Yep, Friday
Well,
low
it still is, but
is my draw.
no shot I'm getting in sync with this, dude.
If we trade
Yeah,
back above that
SMT
swing high on the
SUM high.
5, bro. I like the fair value gap at 145 on Monday, 15-minute time frame. Because it is the bottom of that massive weekly gap that we have that's super, super nice. If you look at the weekly chart, it's the bottom of that as well.
Dude, I think it
Yeah.
depends how we just fucking react once we take Friday.
Yeah, I didn't expect this fucking pre-market to be like a nuke.
Well, look, here's another thing too, which I think is going to happen. With this pre-market being a nuke, 10 a.m. we got PCE. Can't expect a reversal. AM, a little two-part move action. So get everybody
So
induced to selling and then just buy back up into the range at like 10.
I like
keep
that.
going at like 9:30 too. If it keeps going at 9:30, I'll be like, ooh, because it'll be an open range gap fucking massive lower. And then it keeps
dude,
running at
what if-
Make it
9:30.
lower for 9:30. Get people
Yep.
chasing.
Yep.
10
What if
a.m.
10
How you
a.m.
doing?
closes within that
Two-stage?
new log though?
2-stage day.
And then you
What do
have
you mean?
4-hour like full market structure shift.
If it closes within what new log?
Like below Friday's low, basically. Would that change your narrative on that?
No. I don't care about the 4-hour
I
close.
like that, dude. I like the.
Because there needs to be a
two-stage
retracement.
idea.
Like it can close, and then the retracement can be higher. Then you can just grab that retracement higher, and then like I'm not predicting that it's going to just reverse from there. I'm just predicting that it's going to come back in the range just even a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, for
You said
sure.
10 a.m.
Okay,
news,
I
so-
got you.
Yeah, no, I don't know about the direction ultimately after it gets to this. No, I just know that 10 a.m. if we keep going down lower for that, that we could definitely get a bounce from there and get in sync with that higher
Yeah.
time frame bounce.
I think the market's
boy.
gonna be real ugly till 10. I'm definitely not gonna be doing shit till 10.
Yeah, no, probably not either.
Oh,
But-
I got a
Pre-market like that.
A juicy fib projection for you boys.
Oh, here
no.
we go.
If you look at the 4-hour breaker that we just created, assuming we close below this, from 2 p.m. yesterday to 6 a.m., 2.5 standard deviations is Thursday's low exactly.
Why are you taking the high from 2 p.m. and the low from 6
That's
p.m.
a-
on Tuesday?
That's a high, low, lower, high.
That's a breaker, buddy.
Oh,
We
6 p.m. or 6 a.m.?
a.m.
Oh, I'm a fucking idiot. Did you say
No,
a.m.
you're
the first
not,
time?
dude. No, you're not. You're not an
That's how
idiot.
you speak to yourself.
I'm not here for the beratement. Anyways,
Oh, dang.
just the data point.
Love the data point. Thank you, sir.
Extendo, standard deviation. What are you doing with it?
You could look at the projections off that bit. 2.5 standard deviations, Thursday's low.
Love.
Yeah.
Thursday low would be wild, but definitely I like that 1 hour fair value gap, low hanging fruit.
Yep,
10 a.m.
That's
to
one standard
Thursday.
deviation.
Yep.
Right above that breaker on the hour.
Yep. Hit
So
all the
go
way into
over the
there.
Breaker again, dude. I am just not seeing it.
Look at you do it on the hour chart. Look at 2 p.m. yesterday, basically the high of this week, down
Uh-huh.
to the swing low from 9 a.m. on Tuesday on the hour chart.
Got it.
All
See
right.
what I'm saying?
Yep. Cheers.
Let's think of it LLD now for downside. Obviously, we all think it's going to go lower till Friday's low. LLD, I have that one. It's basically the breaker lowish, like it's a 1 hour.
Just fun.
On ES,
Breaker.
more like it's ES and Nasdaq, but basically Nasdaq, it's Friday's new day open gap.
Right.
Yeah, it's a breaker. It's the 1 hour breaker. There's a new day open gap. There's a new week open gap. That shit should definitely be resistance there.
Yeah, and then on ES, you have a balanced price
And
range
it's
at 2 p.m. on Monday,
So
1 hour.
balanced, dude.
I could see one of
Everything
them.
is so
I could see us wicking through that though. But yeah, that is a good LD.
Yeah, for
Yeah,
sure.
I mean, if we're bearish, dude, trading through all of those levels, that's exactly what happened to me on Monday, dude. I shorted that to go to Friday's low, and then it traded through balanced price range, new week opening gap, new day opening gap, and then
Yep.
just ripped.
Yep. No, that was a good setup. I was watching that on Tuesday because it was a breaker too.
Dude, it was a breaker on like every time frame. It was the most fractal shit I've ever seen. And then it just went yoink, and I was like, dude, I was
Highs were taken out, lows were still intact. Like, bro.
Yeah, that was crazy. Made me feel like I didn't know how to trade, but then I realized that shit was clean. But yeah, highs are finally smacked. Word. What word?
And we got SMT on that 4 hour ES. The London high. Didn't sweep Asia. NQ and YM did.
4 hour Asian.
Yeah, just look the 1800 candle versus the 2 a.m. on ES.
Yep. Yeah, it would have been nice to be in that move.
Dude, I'm gonna start just not sleeping, boys.
Crazy movements are just wild.
I would not have been in that, dude. I can guarantee that. Even if I was fucking ready to go, dude.
That'd be nuts.
Dude, I started chugging one of these giant bottles of water every morning, and I swear to God, within 15
You
minutes, I
pooped,
got
dude?
his shit, dude.
You told us this,
dog.
dude. This is like the third time you told us, dude.
I'm just amazed because I'm literally out here about to like.
It's yourself.
I was like, how do I consistently shit?
Dude, what's wrong with me?
You could also like.
Dehydrated.
What about nicotine?
Dude, pop a little Nick, instant dumper.
Instant, bro.
Yeah, I already.
It's crazy.
You don't
Coffee
gotta
and,
tell
dude,
me
Big
that.
Sean's got coffee, nicotine, and water going. Of course you're gonna poop, dude. If you didn't, that'd be concerning as fuck.
My
For sure.
stomach's dapping up my Canizens, that's for sure.
That's funny. But
But
right,
yeah,
boys.
dude, I'm
Gentlemen, this was productive as a motherfucker.
yes, sir.
boys. 10 a.m.
Good luck. Good luck and good trading.
Good luck and good
Namaste.
trading. GL, GT.
All right, boys. Peace. Good luck.
Peace. Until like lunch. See you. Bye.
Ooh, doggy. Whoa.
footage type stuff. You should probably use like for this. Already had class. Oh, can't really see. It's like frosted. It's background.
Nuts control. Adjustable scent. Any size room.
Oh man, KP. GDP, no good. That wasn't Trump, that was Biden. I think we're going to keep going down lower for these lows. I think we will keep going down. 15-minute swing high right there. Or 1 minute. Or 5 minute. Holy shit. But yeah, I think we'll keep going lower. We got... Yeah, I mean, it's a nice support and resistance level, but no, I think it's going to get absolutely waxed. If you're looking at it from Mondays, Aprils, and shit. Third touch, like, fucking... Yeah, it's beautiful. Beautiful to run through. Yep, exactly. That's what I'm looking at. Massive opening range gap. Absolutely massive. Did hit that IFED right there on the 15. It did get it. Breaker now. 5 minute. Coming up in hot. Nice drop. Nice panty dropper, 5,000. Patty. Late, bro. Some kids. What's 5 times 15? 7. 75. So that should be a 7. Down in the hands on my heart, and I and the libretto. Down in the hands on my heart. Yeah, should drop right there. Should keep going lower. Yeah, 10 a.m. data for sure. I was sleeping too, bro. I didn't get home last night till 1 a.m. Patty, we were fucked up, bro. That shit was retarded. Yeah, KP. My feet hurt. Bro, the Night Sort guys, that's what they asked me, bro. I gotta show you the text. They're like, hey, all the E-regs that are able to go on the belt, can you put these back on the belt? I'm like, fuck yourself. I'm not doing that. You're gonna have a driver do that. We had to fucking do that shit all fucking night. Insane. I'm like, no, I'm not doing that. Yeah, I could fucking imagine. I know. I knew it was gonna be fucking shit. I literally told Dylan, I said, bro, just lay the E-regs out and like we'll be good. Just clean up all the other bullshit, which probably didn't happen. I'm just like, bro, just E-regs. That's it. Exactly how we left it for Night Sword is exactly how I wanted it. Yeah. The metal on the belt, E-reg, like everywhere, like not even clean E-regs, you mean? Like just like fucking just laid out like across the fucking floor and shit. Like not even like nice in order. There goes ES. Right down this low right here. This bad boy. That's what low is that? Monday's low. There you go. How you doing? How you doing, Monday's low? How you doing? Two and through, baby. I just said. Yes, sir, KP. NASDAQ, we just hit that Friday low. Show a little bit of response off that. I think we're gonna keep going lower. I honestly think we're gonna get into like the 120. 120? Well, that's a little overzealous. But at least 150 I like, to be honest. See what it wants. But all this, I mean, it definitely can't just reverse from there, which would be fucking nuts. But I like it lower to go higher. I like these two little highs right here to trade back up into after this nice little dumper. So with that 10 o'clock news, you get everybody thinking that it's going to keep going lower. You get them chasing lower. You're playing my break and retest? Hell yeah, bro. I'm playing that little reversal. I think we're going to trade back up into the range that we just created. Hell yeah, bro. I told you it was a good sell. I said, yeah, this is going to go. I said, this is it. Good shit, boys. Good shit. Things just melting. First presented. How you doing? Nice. Keep falling. Keep falling. I'll love to see it. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. I don't like that one. I like this one better. Bang. TP schmack. Bang. KP. TP smack. Yep. Bottom of that. How you doing? Closing the low. 5 minute. What are you holding that 5 minute for, Patty? 200 tickies? 400 tickies? All day dumper. All day dumper would be fucking gnarly. A little dumpy. Little Humpty Dumpty. Oh, just keep going for dad. Dumper 930. Oh. There we go. A little something, something. A little something, something. Just waiting. Waiting till 10. See what she wants to do. I'd love just to buy back up right here. Because AO stopped banging. Yeah, she was annoying. See what old Price wants to do here. It's like it's swinging back up. Swinging back up here. So the retracement or reversal? Retracement or reversal? I'll pull it. Pull. Pick one. Ooh! 179.5. You already bought it, or you're gonna buy when it goes back down to there? Copy. Oh yeah. Getting out. You're getting out? Didn't even hit it yet. You mean the sellers are getting out? Damn. 5,400 you think is going for? That's crazy. It's a call and a half right there. Good. There you go, Patty. $200 tickies, 50 points. Let's go. Send it. Yeah, that'd be ridiculous, KP. Absolutely ridiculous. Send it. All right. Have some faith. I'm bet. Yeah, crazy sell from there. Just be a 1-to-1 risk reward though. No bueno. Doink. Copy that. GG's. Way to manage it. I think it's going to keep selling. Let's see right there. Might go. But not in a trade. G fucking G's there, bruv. Now if those highs get waxed, bro, I'm in there like fucking swimwear. I'll be so far in there. Give me an extension off of that. Oh, fuck. Rob won't give it to you though. Nice. And it's gonna plow right through. Yep, just like that. It's gonna fucking go. Oh, I don't want that. I want this. Shrink. It's a nice exit. Oh. That's a nice exit. Shink, shink, shink. Hell yeah, keep it going. News coming out. He's just dipping. Dipping, dipping. $10 news coming out soon. 40 seconds here. There we go. Coming in hot. Oh yeah, that was so hot. So hot right there. Stupid. Ugh. Oh. I like the buy all the way back up to first P. I'm gonna be honest now. Got news, got a great close on the 5 and 15. Oh, great close on the hour chart. Breaker. You also have the relative equal highs up there. crazy reversal here. That'd be absolutely insane, bro. I'd be an absolute fucking donkey to trade this fucking higher. Oh shit. All right. All right, Patty, had a boy. GG's. Let's see. It wants to reverse. It's probably going to go from there. Come all the way back down again and fucking hit it. Really? That's crazy. Hmm. 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 Yes, sir. GG's, Patty. Yes, sir. Great bodies right there. That's what I was saying all morning, bro. Squeezing them. It's that 10 o'clock reversal, bro. 10 o'clock reversal goes crazy. Lower to go higher. Yeah, bro. It's a perfect day for that. You just tank all pre-market, tank 9:30, and then at 10 o'clock, bro, just rip it against their whole face. Exactly what you do. Breaker. Daily. 5-minute auto block. Yeah, no quick rejections here. Gotta keep it going. Keep it moving. Nothing to see. Nothing to see here. I'll take the break and retest long. This guy right here. Trade above, trade hit that blue line or down in this area. I like that better. And then pop all the way up to this white line. So I'll take 19,240 to 19,320. That's what I like. If he wants to tank for that, I'll get in sync with the fucking cell skis, bro. I think we're going up for a little fair value. A little fair value, yeah. A little fair value, yeah. 8. God damn. 8. Range kind of tight. Range kind of tight. Hell yeah, brother. Little extension from there. Sure. Surely. Surely. Oh, what a beautiful fucking price leg. Absolutely gorgeous. It's absolutely tremendous. Nice close. First P. How you doing? Nice. 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 I kind of like that buy right there. Why not? Really? Wait, it lets me in on that? That's so weird. What? I don't even get that. Wait. I don't even get it, bro. Yeah, I got it, bro. I got it. But why? Well, it's not letting me in my other fucking orders. It's weird. I don't know why it's not letting me in the other orders. It's just super weird. Oh, because maybe I can't put 4 orders on. I can only put 2. Well, wait, that makes no fucking sense. I'm on a micro. Yeah, that was a crazy long. Crazy long. I was thinking about getting long there, but just taking a first TP, but... Just using my strategy, brother. That's it. You said 100 points long, my boy. Let's not count them chickens before they hatch, my dog. We got this shit, though. I still don't understand why I couldn't get into the other accounts. Like, that's just weird. Why did it not let me in these? Hold on. If I try to put 4 on. Where am I going here? Because it's double, so if I try to put 4 on, why would it deny me 4? That's super weird. Your max position limit has been met. I can't put 4 micros on, bro? I can only put fucking 2? That's why it didn't enter me in? This fucking shithead, bro. Dude, I'm on micros, dude. Do they not carry over? I hate these fucking platforms, these dumbass fucking rules. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, these prop firms fucking suck, bro. They can literally eat my fucking dick. Buy a market there. This shit's just so stupid. I gotta put them on all these fucking accounts now. Sell limit. Buy limit. Sell stop. Buy limit. Buy market. Sell stop. Sell limit. Very methodical. I can't even put another order on until I'm in the fucking trade, bro. That's retarded. Please, somebody remind me to go back and check every fucking thing that I have. Please, somebody. I'm setting an alarm for 11 o'clock. Set an alarm for 10:45 to remind me to check my position orders and limit orders.
I've set to remind me to check my position orders and limit orders alarm at 10:45 a.m.
So stupid. That's in the trade. Oh, fuck. All right, that should be good. Are we 75% to profit yet? Almost. Because I thought you were out. Damn, KP, just the big old jinxer. Oh, that's cool, bro. I like getting jinxed. It's fine. Getting jinxed is cool. Whatever, bro. $76 risk here. I'm below a lot of stuff still. I love it. I gotta check all these positions out. Move all these positions because this is ridiculous. At least it gives me something to do while the market's kind of going. Cool. Oh. I don't think I could have drawn up a better trade. Stops to break even. When I say it, I'm immune. That's funny. Stops to the old BE, buddy. TP is the weekly GAT. Let's go to the weekly chart real quick. So this bold line right here, basically 19,320 is the TP. So if I go to, where am I going? 1 week. It's that gap right there on the weekly chart. So it's just sucking back into it. Nice. Hopefully this little ding-a-ling hits. That'd be fucking nice. I guess I should take it off these other accounts that didn't get into the fucking trade. So everything's moved to Take profit 1. Because that's retarded. Where is that? Bottom. Yeah, that's a good stop loss right there. Perfect. What a picture perfect price delivery, bro. Just absolutely impeccable. Keep going. Smash it. Smash it. Comes all the way down. It's on me. Big old smack go. Good. ES wants to run a little bit higher. $320, 1 tick above. I wouldn't be scared. Yeah. There she goes. Double. Oh, did I flip a... Oh, wait, you don't double that. There she goes. Really? Yeah, bang, bang. How you doing? All right, now I got to get all these fucking orders off everywhere. Where are my orders at? Positions. Do I have none on? I don't think I have any on. 0. None. 0 positions on. But look at this. Oh, so good. I love when those don't get into the fucking trade. GG's. Wow, what a trade. What an absolute monster of a trade right there. Big Sean. Like, that's exactly what you want to see. That might be the most perfect. Oh my God, that's absolutely beautiful, bro. Like, I don't think you can draw up a better market maker buy model than this. I don't think you can draw it up. Original consolidation, manipulation, 1 leg lower, smart money reversal, low risk buy. Good job, Big Sean. Low risk buy. You have accumulation, next stage accumulation, second stage accumulation, accumulation, bang. No stop runs. You have SMT at the lows right here. Just fucking beautiful, bro. Just absolutely fucking gorgeous. Just a banger of setups. Banger. ES going for the highs. I mean, just look at that reaction on the 1 hour, bro. Like, that's literally what we drew up this morning. And then Big Sean was like, yo, if this shit closes below 4 hour. Yeah, that's actually hilarious, bro. I'm like, I don't give a fuck. Good shit, boys. Big Sean, I'm on then, by the way.
Dude, what a fucking move, bro. God
Dude.
damn.
That move was literally exactly how we drew it up this morning.
Exactly, dude.
Like, bro, you
The
literally
second-
said too. You're like, yo, if the 4 hour closes below these lows, are you not thinking it's going to go lower? I go, I don't care. I just know it's probably gonna run for these highs, but it can do whatever the fuck it wants.
Yeah, bro. I mean, look, the reason as soon as 10 a.m. printed, bro, literally immediate SMT, 4-hour PO3 right there, 15-minute PO3.
Oh yeah.
And as soon as we got above that fucking 956 high, I was like, all right, dude.
That's just a great dude. That was just absolutely insane, bro. That's great trust right there. Great setup. I was waiting for a little last leg action. I liked it. Get over the
Where'd you
15
get
minute.
in over the 15-minute Civvy?
Oh yeah, because I wanted to see that just to make sure. I'm like, I want to see this.
Mhm.
And then yeah. So that was like my last confirmation. But bro, yours was a
I just
fucking
went straight
banger.
to break even the second it hit that 15-minute fair value gap. 'cause
That was
it could have easily
retarded.
rejected there.
Bro,
I think
that
Big
was
Al
such a
took
good
it
trade.
too.
What, your trade or the 15?
I don't know. He just seems hyped, so I'm assuming he took something.
He seems hype. How do you know? You texted him?
No, he's in the group chat.
Oh. 10 out of 10.
Dude, I
AM.
haven't caught a fucking. How many handles was that?
Perfect. Fucking perfect. Literally.
150 handles, bro. That was.
Bro, that's literally like if you couldn't draw up a better fucking market maker buy model, bro. You
Dude,
couldn't.
the second that 10-10 candle closed, like, bro, it was. In my mind, I was like, dude, we are in a fucking monster market maker buy model right now.
Yeah,
Like, just
ridiculous.
complete textbook IO Fed, fucking reusing levels, inverting first percentages, like,
Oh my god, it was just so nice.
yeah. Do you take that, Big L?
Yes, sir. That
Let's
was
go.
a
Biggest.
From where?
First presented.
Hey,
First
Got a
P.
1.5 from there, dude.
Hell
let's
yeah.
go.
I took it from that 15-minute inversion. Fucking Big Sean.
Yeah,
Big
dude.
Sean, drop it down from what the fuck you took it on.
Dude.
I took it on the
2022
1008
model.
candle.
Yeah, bro, the low risk buy he took it on. I'm like, oh
Dude.
fuck.
I mean,
That's
I was looking at it,
retarded.
bro, but I'm like, dude.
Bro, the
That's
only reason
such
I
a-
took it is because look at the 4-hour 15. The 10 a.m. literally left an SMT there.
Yeah.
And that balanced price range on
Dude,
the
if
one.
You had that conviction. I was looking at it and I was like, dude, this is an incredible long. But
So
that
incredible.
15-minute IO Fed for
Yeah,
bearish, it was like a 15-minute IO Fed, just a stop run, buy side stop run. I had to wait till we closed above the 15-minute at least.
100%.
But dude, how great is that timing? The second we get over the 15-minute fair value gap, that 15-minute candle just closes over it. I was like,
Yep.
thank God.
Exactly. That's
That
exactly
time-
what I was waiting for.
Dude,
the
Ty,
amount of
look at
times
the
that shit was
bodies of the
closed
hour
was-
at that fair value gap.
I
as
know,
well, dude.
bro. Stupid, bro. I literally saw that. I go, yo, that's a fucking signature.
We leave those
Sick.
relative equal highs.
I'm
The
like,
1 hour IO
bro.
Fed's confirmed, dude. We're like, oh my God, what a scalp, dude.
Dude, Alex, this is why, bro. All it takes is a couple of these motherfucking days, dude, where
This
Yep.
is
Yeah,
just
dude, that's
incredible.
Dude, that was just. It's been so long. That was just retarded.
So nice,
Oh.
bro. I'm gonna be
Dude,
done for the week
normally, like-
after that.
You're like, yo, I need the 15 minutes to close, and it's like, oh, we still have 12 minutes to wait for that signature, and it just rips in that meantime, and then this time was just like,
dude, that 10-10 signature on Nasdaq on the one though, even on did it do it on ES? Not as good. That's what gave me conviction we were blowing through that 15-minute. Because I trailed
Yeah.
my stop immediately right to that low.
dude, I was about to buy the breaker at 949's high, but I also just saw, I was like, dude, that's a turtle soup 15-minute IFA we could just quickly reject right there.
Oh, and
So-
ES hadn't taken it yet.
Right, dude. I was just like, bro, this is like.
What you
it
mean,
allowed me
KP?
for, like, just to wait for every confirmation
just-
and then just send it. I was just
Exactly
Where'd
what
you
he's
exit,
saying, bro.
Alex?
It's just like everything that we've learned. Like that's like a
The New Week open
picture
gap low.
perfect.
Yeah, I think we all did. The 20
Like
level.
we've been waiting for the how
320,
clean this
whatever
was
it
with
was.
the narrative, with
Yeah,
everything
19,
going on. Like
320.
it. Like let me explain this to you.
I was
Like it tanks at 8:30, it tanks at 9, so everybody's thinking lower, and you liquidate those relative equal lows. So everybody's thinking, oh, it's going to go down. It's going to keep going. And then at 10 o'clock with that news, bro, you have a 2-stage news delivery. 8:30, you tank it. 9:30, you tank it. 10 o'clock, you reverse it on everybody that was fucking profitable short. Oh, dude, that's exactly what we look for, bro. Like we're I don't want to say we're contrarian traders. Yeah, because we haven't seen it in a while like that, bro. It was just so good. Like, that's so good. Like, we appreciate good price action. So we just appreciate it, bro.
Phantom Trendline couldn't get in singular. We just get a 1-minute market maker buy model, and then it's just like, that's
Dude,
it.
that was
Dude, and 5-minute immediate rebalances the whole way up, dude. I was just like, come on.
Yeah.
I didn't even see it. Yeah.
Yeah, I got my entry was in on that 1-minute fair V at 10:13, bro. 10:13
Dude,
after
that
closing above
was 0 drawdown, dude. The
0.
15-minute IF or the 15-minute inversion. That was crazy. I saw that and I was about to, and I was like, do I want to go long right before first presented? I don't know.
Because
If it
that
was
basically,
if
so
the
what
narrative was
I
right,
deemed as first
that should've been
presented
right.
was 9:37. I didn't deem at 9:36 as a first presented because that's like the first displacement was 9:37. So that was laying on top of the 15-minute fair value gap, and I'm like, all right, let me break this, and then like the lowest hanging fruit. So that was the first entry was 9:37. Second one could have been the 15-minute fair value gap, and I was like, all right, let me be not greedy, but let me just get this lowest entry and get in sync with that. And I got that and stop loss in a great spot and just took off to the
That was-
races.
So clean, dude.
What was the core PCE? That's what it was. Yeah,
Yeah.
dude. You know what else was a fucking? I was tape reading. I was just demo trading it. The 1-minute ES. I was like, dude, I like this. I might add this as a fucking model for myself.
Which
Where
one?
was it? Right at 9. The entry at 9:52. Basically, NQ comes up, has a 5-minute IO fed. You get confirmation. ES leaves an SMT lower, and you basically, when you have narrative, you want to go lower. You basically enter off of the first retrace, tap back into the first inversion fair value gap. So off the 948, create an inversion there, break below. You enter right at 952. Because we have the SMT there at the 5-minute IO fed, if you have the narrative there, with the stop at that swing high at 949.
Yeah, I like it. It's basically a proximity entry with, just an extra
Yeah.
confirmation, That's
I don't even, I had in my journal, I'm like, I need a name for this model, but I'm gonna back test it.
I love it. The conviction
Dude, the
model.
1008 candle, big shot.
Conviction model?
Yeah.
The 1008 is perfect, bro.
1008's crazy. I was watching that, bro. I was actually going to long it. I had a long setup in the VOD, but then I saw the SMT and I'm like, shit. Like, I just want this 15. Like, I was like, just thinking to myself, I'm like, be patient. This is going to hit. I literally read my background on my computer, bro. I literally scooted down this and I'm like, I love that entry, but I'm like, look, my strategy is going to present itself. I'm not going to miss this trade. It's going to
I had the
fucking hit.
exact same fucking narrative. I was like, dude, I need to just get in sync with it now. Like, it'll probably hit. It's more
Nah,
bullish
you
than
closed
bearish,
all your
but I
top
do see
steps?
both sides, and then I was
Yeah, I have no positions on right now. So fucking
Partials.
what was the 25K accounts we bought? I didn't take a partial. I just full pull, but
Funded next.
dude, those didn't let me get into 4 fucking minis. I'm like, what do you mean it won't let me get into 4 fucking minis? So I had to manually do every
Micros?
single fucking one of them.
You mean micros or minis?
Oh my god, wait, bro. I'm still. Oh my god, thank you for letting me check these. Cause like, dude, the positions, it says I have 0 positions on. I'm on the position tab and it says
Alright,
0.
You know how you check, dude?
How?
You fucking close out a Ninja Trader, and if
Yeah.
you know how it says don't save or don't save.
Yeah.
If that pops up, you're good. Because if you have orders on, it'll say, "Are you
Wait,
sure
it
you want to
doesn't-
cancel?" Because you have
It
orders
doesn't
open.
even say you're floating any profits.
Well, no, because I'm out of the profit, but I gotta close my fucking
Oh, the fucking
my stop
limit
loss.
orders.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank
Oh,
God. And I still have a
Thank
buy a
God.
limit order on these fucking other trades, bro. But it says I don't have any on, bro. What the fuck is up with that? It literally says I have no
where
orders
are you
on.
looking to see if it has, like, where do you look to see if it has orders
On the
it?
bottom of the main terminal. It says
share your
accounts
screen.
at the bottom left, and then positions are the next tab over. And it says I have
Share
zero
your screen
positions
real
on.
quick.
Fuck. KP goes, so happy you saw it this time.
Yeah, dude.
This
Bro.
fucking guy. Share.
I'm telling you,
This
dude,
one.
I've done this so many
Active
times
positions.
that, like, if you hit the X there to close out a Ninja Trader,
Yeah, I know. I will say, like, do you want to save this
So-
space? But no, I have no orders on now. But, like, positions, you should see your positions in here. And it said I had 0 positions on when I had one on. But, like, it said, like, look down here. Like, these didn't get into the trade. I had to manually put these ones on. And then these 2 I couldn't get on in time. So these I'm still in drawdown for the week. And then this one, I just tested it out. This one at the bottom here for 300. So that's my original entry. But I'm like, what the fuck, bro? So then I had to manually put every single one on. I basically got
No
back in
way,
it.
Dude, that's
Dude, it
sick
was-
that it didn't go that quick. And you're
I know.
able to just rush
I know,
through
bro,
it.
because it was in this consolidation right here. It was from, it was only at the first presented from 1020,
Reclaiming
1021.
the other first presenter.
Yep, I had to quickly just
You're
get them all
fucking-
on. I was like, fuck.
That's incredible, dude. I'm
yo,
glad
Ty,
you
what's
just did that.
what's it called again? I need to download it. I keep forgetting. The order line decor, is that what it's called?
Order
Decorator?
line decorator, yeah.
All right. Is that the only other one you use? Is there any other cool shit I should be using?
No, just those
I
two.
use that calculator that the scale or
Dude, my
see.
calculator's fucking broken, by the way. It always, like, if it tells me 3R, it's really 2R. So I have to know that.
Yeah, I don't know. That's weird.
Oh really?
Yeah, so like it said I took a 5R trade, but it's not real.
What was
Yeah,
the
mine's good. Like 2 and then 4 right here. So, I mean, do you want to see my settings? Because right here it says 2R because I'm making 230 when I risk 114.
But the dollar amount is because of the order line decor.
The dollar, yes, when I actually put a trade on.
Oh no, but even there, I don't get the dollar value on it.
Well, look, when I put a trade on and I go to buy,
settings?
look, and I go to buy and I have to then do a sell limit
Wow.
here.
You just scared the shit out of me, dude. I was like, Ty, what are you doing?
Yeah,
It's on the sim.
I'm on sim. But
Hey,
when I
what
go to
a
buy,
buy.
it just shows up.
Let me show you what I see, just so you know I'm not fucking crazy.
I think your settings are probably just off,
Yo, fuck you mean by that, bro?
Probably.
dude. I mean that with all disrespect, dude.
You guys, I mean that was all. Yeah, I got like a 1 to 2. I don't even know what the hell it was. It was a little bit over than a 1 to 2, but I don't think it was a 1 to 2.25 or 1 to 5 like you got, Big Al. That goes to show you.
Dude,
It's
I
like-
risked $90.
Oh,
and
it
got
was. It was a
250.
1 to 5. Yeah.
All right, look at this shit.
I was about to just, dude, this setup was so good. I was about to put like $400 on it, and then I was like, let me just follow my rules.
All right, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Look at this shit. All right.
Hold on.
So
So
also
ugly shit I've ever
don't make
seen.
fun of my candles. You
Dude, I
So
can't even
So
look
use
at
the
this,
black and
bro.
white, dude, that's
look at
fucking
this.
crazy.
I can't even
Right,
look at
like-
what you got going on, bro. What the hell is
Yeah,
that?
what is that?
What are you
Look, it'll
using?
tell me 1 point.
You have your
That's
stop
not
loss
what
in the
I'm
middle.
fucking using. Yeah, wait, why
Bro.
do stop loss in the middle?
Stop loss is in the middle if you and your TP's above it.
Or you gotta put that's your stop loss line. Your stop loss is first.
The
Hold
yellow
on,
one.
delete it. Yeah, delete it.
Entry.
So you put on your stop loss,
entry.
then it's your entry, and then it's
Now go
your
up.
yes.
Now that's entry.
You're fucking kidding me, dude.
No, go up,
You're
up,
telling me
up.
Oh my god, dude.
So I want my stop here.
Yes,
I
stop.
want
Yep,
my entry here.
yep, and then take profit. Yes.
Wow, how logical is that?
Are you fucking kidding me?
I swear to God, bro.
You're
Look
telling me
at
this whole time that's all I needed to do?
it.
Bro, I thought it was
Yeah,
entry.
it's
I thought it was entry. Oh my god. All right, fuck you guys.
Dude,
Oh my
and
God.
this guy's a manager
Okay,
in
all right.
finance right here.
Bruh.
Yo, eat a dick.
Yo.
Dude, he's just putting his TP in random spots. It's like, yo, the risk to reward is not right, dude.
Dude, I swear to God, I thought it was entry, TP, stop. You're
So how
telling
have
me
you been
stop.
How have you been even trading, dude?
This dude.
Well, you know, right? Like, first off, I check on. I always do it on TradingView first. Because when I screenshot
Why
a
you don't
journal,
have to, dude?
I always paper trade the exact trade I'm taking on my Ninja so I could screenshot.
He goes, yo, the take profit is one more than it actually is.
What?
Dude, that's actually tragic, man. That's such a bad look for me.
That is a terrible look, dude.
KP, look, follow with me. He put this thing on that I have on the
Let me do
top
this
left
again.
up here. If
Alright,
you see like
stop.
above my head,
Entry.
he went like this. He went entry,
Yeah.
stop loss, and then take profit.
Tough one.
So then like his take profit or his entry
Tough one.
is down here, but like his stop loss is here. He thought this was his entry and this was his stop loss. But on this thing, you have to go
Come on, bro,
stop
it
loss,
happens.
entry,
It happens.
and then
many
take
things
profit.
just happen, dude.
So the dude was like, well, I
Alright,
can't
how do I
figure it
download
out
this
because if you do it this
Quarter
way,
shit,
it's like that's not really a
Just decorate it.
3.5 R. It's like a 2.5 R.
It's,
It's like what the fuck?
Ninja Trader download.
So funny, bro. So
Dude, I
funny.
don't
by
remember
Gemify, right?
anything. Yeah. How do I even go to indicators? Oh, it's right there. Yeah, order line decorator. Shout out to Ninja Trader for keeping all my indicators just saved for like a year and a half now.
Yeah, honestly, I'm not updating any of those. Like, I'm not updating Replicanta because
You
it
guys
fucking
remember how to
works.
Download it.
Like, people have updated Replicanta and they're like, oh, I can't
Did
get
you
it to
already
work or
download
whatever.
it, or are you trying to
Oh
upload
shit,
it
I'm talking
to
without them even
Ninja
fucking
now?
talking.
I don't. No, I had it on my old computer. It just never did it. 'Cause basically all it does is it just tells you the dollar value while you're in the trade.
Yeah, exactly.
I don't know if that's a good thing.
Well,
That's
what tells you
great.
the dollar value while you're in the trade? The order line decorator.
indicator
It tells you like your
amount,
stop
yeah.
loss and your take profit.
Right, it tells you the dollar amount for it.
So and it
Yeah.
tells okay. Dude, I wish TradingView did handles instead of ticks.
Yeah, same.
Archie, what the fuck, dude? Hold on.
Yeah, I remembered after we got off our call. I remember how like if it's NFP week, he's like, "Yo, Monday's first likely like to rip. If it doesn't, then Tuesday."
Yep.
So like Monday we had no news. It didn't rip at 7 a.m. Tuesday we had no ripping either. So Wednesday AM session is the final day. It's gotta
Yes.
just be like fireworks, dude. And then
Yep.
look at Wednesday pre-market just tank, dude.
Just the narrative too with everything. Yes, tanks, and then you drop into
And
like a
trend line,
beautiful
building up
higher time frame
liquidity
level.
below us. Right.
I should have just taken it from the 1 hour fucking fair value gap and said, yep, I'm taking it from there. After those signatures, after that 1 hour close, I'd been like, fuck, let's ride. Right at 10 a.m.
Yeah,
That'd
I
have
might
been
just call it a week,
crazy.
dude.
That's literally what I said. I'm like, bro, with Thursday and Friday,
5 on the week, bro. It'll be
Yeah.
my first profitable week in like a year.
that's crazy.
Dude, the craziest
Just-
part is I'm break even after that.
Just force it to be. Just force a profitable close.
Yeah, I was down 1 hour. Now I'm up 1 hour on the week. Except for my other accounts I
I'll
couldn't
take
get
it,
in
dude.
sync
I
with.
risked $70 to make 300.
Yeah, that narrative is crazy. And then Alex, before you got on, I told Big Sean, look at the 4 hour close. Big Sean on our pre-market call, he goes, what if it closes over the 4 hour? Like, what if it closes like super bearish? I'm like, bro, I don't go fuck. I'm sending the shit out of this long.
Dude, when I saw this relative
I'm like,
equal
that's
highs in the
hilarious. Yeah.
left, relative equal highs in the 1 minute, we just started going lower. I was like, oh my god, that's
Yeah.
insane.
I was just waiting on it, bro. I was thinking about getting in sync with a short too to go down to the 1 hour fair value gap. Like I had some good signatures on the daily fair value gap, like at the consequent encroachment and everything.
Dude, I was just using if you guys didn't use the opening range 930 to 10, just textbook again, bro. Every single level was just used perfectly. The quarter level to 50%, and it just went.
So
Dude, that was
basically,
fucking, like,
the open to 959, right?
934 is high to
Oh yeah.
10 a.m.'s low.
Well, it's not 10 a.m. because that's the 10 a.m. So it's 959 low, right?
I've been using 10 a.m.
dude, you
Gotcha.
could have gotten like 8 different places on that trade.
Oh, ridiculous. Yeah, it was just nasty. Like you could have gotten in off the breaker when I was consolidating on it.
Dude, just the signatures, bro. That fucking 10-11 IOFED, boom. Just completely cuts through that 15-minute fair value gap. Completely
Yep.
respects the 937 inversion. Just ladders up over first presented. Ty, were you a little nervous there when it fell short of 20?
I mean,
we took the relative equal highs. I was like, I just put it to break even. I was like, whatever happens, happens. Now.
that's
Yeah.
I mean, that's kind of my ordeal. I'm like, if it's gonna fail, it's gonna fail, bro. Like this is like my analysis. Like, I mean, you want to see the next area
The
get
gap.
tagged. You want to see the
There's a
gap
gap
above the
that
relative
was-
equal highs.
Right.
Yep.
Boy, I
So,
can't believe I didn't know that about fucking that stupid ass entry tool.
bro, that might have been the
That's
funniest
crazy
thing I've heard in a
using it that-
month.
For that long.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was one of the funniest things I've heard.
Maybe
Bro,
you
that
need to
10
get more
o'clock
funny.
was, dude, ICT needs to talk about that for a fucking year. Just that fucking setup right there.
Dude,
like,
it's
that's-
textbook.
that's all
Textbook
encompassing.
make or buy model.
That's all. Like, I want to print that out and fucking throw it up on my wall.
Dude,
that's
original
what I-
consolidation, equal highs at AM, at right at 9:30. Like,
Dude. It's
Just
been so long
retarded.
since there's just been a trade that's that good.
Yeah.
It's actually bonkers.
KP's like, dude, you guys are drooling over this. I'm like, bro, we haven't seen this good of price action in
Bro.
fucking forever.
It has been so long, dude. We are drooling over, dude. I'm not even gonna like pretend I'm not, dude. This shit's retarded.
That's so good.
I'm literally gonna jerk off to that setup.
Yeah,
Like,
dude. I'm
bro,
gonna
the
print this
order
off.
flow was retarded.
Just like trade replay right when it IO feds. Like,
Yeah, I'll just
Bro,
replay.
honestly.
Trade replay, just like enter all different longs.
Bro, that's so good. Yeah, I'm gonna try something real quick. Fucking.
dude, the
let me go to
exit
those.
too. The exit too.
Exit was nice. I mean, it's just consolidating now. Sell stop. Let me try to exit my fucking trading view. Oh,
I
it
feel
does
like
say I have
that's
an
the
order on.
first good silver bullet too we've had in a while. I feel like at 10 a.m.'s kind of been shit lately.
2-stage delivery day, bro. I'll remember this day for a long
Yeah,
time.
good call, dude. Great call on that.
Yeah,
Ahead
he
of
did.
it.
The man's did call it.
I mean, it was like even a 3-stage with 930. Like you wanted to see that fucking it keep going. So everybody's like, "Oh, sell! Oh my God, GDP's going lower, bro." And we just
Yeah.
ripped their fucking faces off, dude. They can go lower. I don't give a fuck what it does
Yeah, I
now.
don't. Yeah, at the end of the day, dude, I don't even give a fuck.
Fuck it, go lower. I hope it keeps extending lower for the whole day.
Dude, most powerful AM setup is that fucking 10 a.m. start of that 4-hour candle.
What?
I don't know
What'd you
why.
say?
I love the 4-hour, dude. It's just
Nah, I
I
was
feel
just
like
typing some notes, so I just didn't hear what you said.
No, I'm saying the best setups happen at that 4-hour power of 3.
Mm-hmm.
And like it happened to happen right at fucking 10 a.m. today. But fucking ES doesn't take it. NQ does. Just expansion. Now granted, it could come all the way back and completely invalidate that idea, but fuck it.
I love it. Yeah, I love the 1-hour power of 3s. And those are probably my favorite. With
Guys, so did you enter at that 15 inversion when it tapped in and stopped below it?
no, I entered at the 1-minute fair value gap right inside of the 15-minute inversion.
You got in at like 10, 17?
Yeah, and on that, it was the 10-14 low I got in at.
Dude, I went at the first percent at 1020 when we tapped it, and I got slippage because it went so far into it. And then my stop loss was just below the 1018 low, which was like your entry tie.
Mm-hmm.
Super tight stop. And then it just
Bro, when they
went.
fucking hit, they hit, bro. It's crazy.
I know.
Alright, what were you saying about our PO3?
I just like it. I mean, you can get in sync with a lot of stuff with the hour. 4 hour obviously just takes a little bit longer. I mean, it takes 4 times as long to get that candle closed. But at the 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Power of 3, like those are pretty strong. Obviously with the 4 hour backing of it. But
You could
I mean, it's
apply
just
it
like
again. Yeah, you could apply it to any fucking candle, but
yep.
it's just the fact the 4 hour has like the 2 most powerful times a day.
Man, I might just stare at this all day. Just
You're
sit
like,
here.
"What are
I
you
might
guys
just let
on?"
price keep going and then just stare at this model. Like price will just go out into the
Dude.
future and
Right.
You kids are gonna ask us where were we on April 30th, 2025, that market maker buy model.
Yeah.
yeah, bro, shit was retarded. I should have put my
Yeah,
entire
you
account
remember the
on
one
it.
December? It's like 2 Decembers ago. Me and you were just getting these 1 minute market maker buy models like every other day.
Dude.
Dude, that's gonna come back. It's going to.
We just would
We
wait
just
till like
need-
10:50. 9:30 would be Judas swing, and then we'd get silver bullet 1 minute market maker models like almost
Like
every
that's
day
when
of
we
the week.
first started like really like doing like well.
Yeah, dude,
Like when we
both
first
"Oh,
like
this
got
is
it
easy."
clicking. We're like, damn, like dude, it would just reverse at 10, like literally 2 to 3 times a week. It would do this exact
Right.
same thing.
For an entire month, dude. And it was December. It's like December 2022.
22 or was it 23? It probably was 23. Maybe? I don't know. They all kind of get
Maybe.
fucking weird. But shit was fucking crazy, bro.
You just like wait till like 10:50, and then it would just be like take any fair value gap you'd like.
Yeah, good shit. But I mean, you guys trying to get into another trade now or what?
Fuck no, dude. I'm done for the month. I'm done for the next month.
Dude, I'm still in that trade.
Yeah, okay. I'd kill myself.
I am.
No, you're not. Shut up. No, you're not. No, Shotty's still in this
Alright.
fucking trade.
Alright, watch.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
can't
yeah,
wait. I can't wait till he's fucking lying.
Let's see what he's cooking up, dude.
Oh, Rocket.
Oh, dude, that was just the head and shoulders, bro. Look at that.
It is fun to
know.
just fucking go back and look at these screenshots.
Heck yeah, man.
I don't know what you're showing me, dude.
The move happening and screening.
You're not still in the trade, is
Oh,
what
we're
we're
just
talking about.
replaying it. Yo, everyone's
Yeah,
showing
pussy.
screenshots. Let's relive it.
Yeah.
Yep, I was definitely there.
Dude, I'll
This is
never
where it
forget-
got like.
Never
yeah,
forget
yeah.
April 30th.
Dude, look at this
dog.
1 minute immediate rebounds right before it swings.
Yeah, that scared me.
Boom.
Boom, done. Boom.
Clean.
Bunch of fucking nerds.
Bro, I'm gonna
Hey.
turn that into like a slideshow movie and it's gonna win awards. That
Yeah.
fucking market maker buy model.
Peace, KP. Yeah, I just gotta take my notes. I'm literally just
Yeah, I'm
gonna.
pumped that every time I saw both sides, I just didn't touch it. And then when I only saw one side, I touched it. That was huge for Big Al.
Incredible.
I was like, wait, I see both sides, but I want to go long, so I can't. Dude, shout out to the fucking today, man.
Shout out to you guys. I'm down to make that a thing, dude. It's a good balance of still.
Well, fuck. Now that we just hit that, we're absolutely gonna make that a thing. The fuck you talking
We're
about?
literally.
That's
we're one
called
and
good
out,
karma right there, bro.
dude.
Yeah, that is
Trial
some,
back to back, bitch. I'm
that's
2-0.
some positive feedback if I've ever seen it.
Yes, that is some. Hey, good job. This works. Here's some good karma. How you doing?
Hey, let's try something new. All of us are throwing ideas out. Ty taps in.
Yeah. I'm literally do every PDA. Just like I'm drawing every single one of them.
Just
Yo,
having
Alex,
so much fun.
I can't believe we fucking called that 2-stage delivery
I know,
this
dude.
morning, dude.
I know, dude. I was like, yo, this shit is It's gonna be so one-sided.
He's like, dude, GDP, bro, it's so bearish. Like,
Dude, remember when he was like, yo, draw fit from the 4-hour breaker. We're gonna go to last Tuesday's low.
yeah. You
Yeah.
fucking bitch. Hey, yo, we still literally could, dude. We are trading into a 4-hour breaker right now.
Yeah, that was the funniest thing I've ever heard in my life.
Why can't both be true, huh?
Hey, they can, absolutely.
They could.
They absolutely could be true.
Hey, if we go back down to that level, I better get a fucking text from your bitch ass.
I'm gonna block your contact.
Yeah. Yeah, my last set of trading friends did that to me. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah. Sean is a serial community guy.
Yeah,
Sean
I've
just
been in a-
loves,
I've been in a serious relationship with you guys for what? 2 years now?
at least. You
It's probably been 2
you
and a
probably
half,
talk
yeah.
to me more than you talk to Kayla.
That's not saying a lot. No, I'm kidding. Alright, boys. I gotta run, but beautiful.
I mean, I could just take notes for days on this setup. I don't even know my laundry
I'll
list
just
of
write it off.
entries. Why I got into the trade was just a laundry list of fucking things.
Tomorrow's the least probable day of the month.
Oh well, yeah.
Why,
Alex is
dude?
like,
Well, it's the first day of the month.
Oh, yeah,
Tomorrow,
yeah,
least
yeah.
probable day.
where's this monthly gonna close at? It's right where it opened. Cool.
Oh wow.
Beautiful.
Perfect.
Love that.
Neutral.
But
bar.
alright, boys, seriously, good shit.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow, but I'm down to hop on. Peace.
Yep, later, dude. Just taking my notes here and then hopping off. Drawing liquidity was 15. I mean, dude, I can have everything in here. Daily fucking lick and fair value gap.
Dude, I was hesitant to go for Big Sean win as well because it was
Oh,
just
for
showing
sure.
like it wasn't showing any like displacement yet, and it was still range bound. And I was like, dude, we did just take out 3 days of liquidity. We just hit a massive move. It's 10 a.m. Like AM session could just be sidelined, and until we took out that 15-minute fair value gap, I was like, I don't think we're gonna. It could have just sat there until we took that out, you know.
Yeah, like I said, if I was gonna buy from down there, I would have bought the low. Like I would have bought 19,120.
Yeah.
Like if I had any conviction of like, hey, I really want to go see this go longer, I would have I want to have bought there. And then maybe the breaker, but you're trading that 15-minute fair value gap, and I'm like that was kind of iffy. I definitely was thinking about taking it from there though. The 15-minute
Yeah,
breaker or the
I
1-minute breaker.
Yeah, I had my finger on the trigger. I was like, dude, that is a great setup.
That's crazy.
I almost just once it went from there, I almost just walked away. It was just like, all right, well, I guess I'm not gonna get a sink with it. And I was like, wait, try to get last leg, dog.
Always, bro. Just get a fair value gap that's the next fair value gap, bro. That's really what last leg is. Like you let the low risk buy go, and then it's just the
Right.
next fair value gap you hop into on the market maker buy
And this
model.
is definitely not a condition where I was like, yo, 2022 model's easily just gonna be great. Buddy West.
Yeah, my first reason for it was narrative. Narrative was the first reason.
Dude, the narrative was ideal.
30 tanks. 930 tanks into a higher time frame. EDA.
Did that 930 tank just getting people chasing, bro? Come on. Come on.
Bro, such just a blender. Blender. Now it's using that 15-minute breaker, bro, to go higher. That's crazy. Don't care.
It's really don't give a fuck. Dude.
Damn, did I actually take all my orders off? Hopefully not. So I'm still in this trade.
Or you didn't take any, you just left the limits on. Now you're just short.
Yep,
As it's going higher.
I know. Ridiculous. Yeah, ES used that inversion 15-minute from what we talked about earlier pretty well. It used the consequent encroachment, went lower, then it opened up at the premium level of it and then tanked. So that was pretty cool to see. I was watching that. That was just so good. Yeah, still finishing its buy model. Oh, so clean, bro. Like, you know this trade's good when you're using 15-minute and hour pictures for this.
Mm. Dude, just the 1 hour outfit with the new Egovin capture on liquidity too is insane.
Yep.
So they're the external to internal you were talking about yesterday.
Yep. But then it's internal to external to lower time frame.
Right.
It's just the direction of the move, and then you just gotta play it by there. Oh, dude, I love it. It's just so good. Hopefully I don't have any other orders on. Fuck it if I do, though. Yeah, that 15-minute inversion was stupid, bro.